Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Nike Run Club, Strava, and Runkeeper. Nike Run Club, Strava, and Runkeeper are three of the most popular running apps, but they each serve different kinds of runners depending on what you're looking for: motivation, social interaction, or structured training. Nike Run Club is all about simplicity and motivation. It's completely free and comes with audio-guided runs led by professional coaches and athletes. These guided runs are great if you need structure, especially as a beginner. The app also tracks your pace, distance, time, and splits, and it gives you badges and achievements to keep you motivated. There's also a cheers feature where friends can send you encouragement during your run. Plus, if you're using Apple Watch or pairing with Spotify, Nike Run Club integrates smoothly. However, it's mostly focused on running with no cycling or other workout tracking. Strava is the app to choose if you're competitive or love community-based fitness. It tracks many activities, including running, cycling, swimming, hiking, and walking. Strava's standout feature is its social network. You can follow friends, give kudos, comment on workouts, and complete on segments, specific stretches of road or trail. You also get leaderboards, heat maps, and clubs to join, which makes it feel like a game. However, many of these features are locked behind a subscription, including custom training plans and detailed analytics. Runkeeper, developed by A6, is known for being a reliable, no-nonsense tracker. It offers training plans, goal tracking, audio cues, and even interval training. The app works well for both casual joggers and serious runners aiming for races. You can create your own routes, track progress over time, and sync with other fitness devices. While it has fewer social features than Strava, its focus is on performance and personal goals. Some features like advanced training plans and insights require premium upgrade. In short, Nike Run Club is perfect for beginners who want guided workouts and motivation without paying. Strava is ideal if you love competition and want to be part of an active community. Runkeeper is best if you're aiming for personal progress and needs structured training tools with less social distraction. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.